Good afternoon, Standard 10. In the previous videos, I was discussing about the componendo and dividendo from the chapter ratio and proportion. In the last videos, I was done some revision work or solved some important questions from the chapter ratio and proportion using the properties componendo and dividendo. Today, today I will also discuss the same chapter ratio and proportion, the topic componendo and dividendo, but today I will solve the board model questions. Board model question is means previous year's questions. So now you can see on the screen previous year's questions. This question asked this year in 3 marks in optional section. Using properties of proportion, find x is to y given x square plus 2x whole divided by 2x plus 4 is equal to y square plus 3y whole divided by 3y plus 9. The given term is this much. Now applying here C and D, this we can suppose A, this we can suppose B, this we can suppose C, this we can suppose D. Now A plus B, A minus B is equal to C plus D, C minus D. So in the numerator part, same, because opening the bracket before the bracket plus sign is there, so no need, there is no changes of sign. But in the denominator before the second bracket minus sign is there, so minus plus minus and this minus plus minus, here also this minus plus minus and this plus minus minus. So in the denominator part these two will be cancelled, x square minus 4 y square minus 9, and it is x square and 2x plus 2x, that is 4x plus 4, y square 3y plus 3y, that is 6y plus 9. And in the denominator we can apply the formula of difference of 2 square, that is x square, and 4 is the perfect square of 2 and 9 is the perfect square of 3, and it is the perfect square of x plus 2. If you will expand it using the formula a plus b, you will get this, because a square plus b square plus 2ab, it is a square, it is b square, it is 2ab. Similarly here also y plus 3 whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab. So now x plus 2 whole square, it means 2 times we have to write there, and here we have to apply the formula a square minus b square, a plus b, a minus b. In the denominator again a plus b, a minus b, y plus 3 2 times, so 2 times we have to write there. This will be cancelled, this will be cancelled. X plus 2 divided by x minus 2, y plus 3 divided by y minus 3. Now see, so again we have to apply C and D, a plus b, a minus b, c plus d, c minus d. So open the bracket, there is no change of sign. Before this bracket minus sign is there, so minus, on there will be plus. So here also minus and there will be plus. This 2 cancel, x plus x 2x, 2 plus 2 4, y plus y 2y, 3 plus 3 6. This 2 will be cancelled, so x by y and 4 by 6. X is to y, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. This will be the answer. Now see the next question. Again the next question is asked this year. It means this year from this chapter 2 question was asked. It is proving questions and it is finding question. This is for in 4 marks. It is again in optional section. So I think this type of question I have solved in the previous videos. So denominator 1 we can take, applying C and D here. So a plus b, a minus b, this is C and this is D, so C plus D, C minus D. So in LHS part same, in the RHS part numerator part is also same. In the denominator part this bracket we have to open, and here will be minus and here will be plus. This will be cancelled, this will be cancelled. Root under 2a plus 1, root under 2a plus 1, 2 times root under 2a plus 1, root under 2a minus 1, root under 2a minus 1, 2 times root under 2a minus 1, this 2 cancel. For removing the square, taking squaring both the sides, it is x plus 1 whole square, x minus 1 whole square. On squaring this from this square root will be cancelled, 2a plus 1, From this square root will be cancelled. 2a minus 1. Again c and d. It is a and it is b. It is c and it is d. So a plus b and a minus b. C plus d and c minus d. So here no changes, but here the sign will be reverses. Positive becomes negative and then negative becomes positive. So 1 1 cancel and 2a 2a cancel. So 2a 2a, that is 4a, and 1 plus 1, that is 2. See this side. Here we are applying the expansion formula, a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square, which is equal to 2a square plus b square. And even in between, if minus sign is there, 4ab should be there. So 2, and that is 4x, and 2 to the 4x. So x square plus 1 by 2x and 2a plus 1. Cross multiply them. X square plus 1, that is x square plus 1, and 2 to the 4 ax. X square minus 4ax plus 1 is equal to 0. This will be the answer. Now see one more question from using the properties of proportion solve for x in the year 2019. In 2019 only one question asked in 3 marks in optional section. This is the question. So again we are applying c and d. So this part we are supposing as a, this part we are supposing as b, c and d, c plus d and c minus d. 4 plus 1, 4 minus 1, a plus b and a minus b. Numerator part is same. In the denominator part, before this bracket minus sign is there, so minus plus minus, and this minus minus plus. So this will be cancelled and this will be cancelled. So root under 5x, root under 5x, it will be 2 times root under 5x, and this is also 2 times. This 2 cancel. So 5 by 3, again is squaring both the sides. So it is 5x and it is 2x minus 6. The square of 5, 25, and the square of 3, that is 9. Now cross multiply them. 25 into 2, that is 50x. 25 6 are 150, and 9 6 are 45. So 50x, transferring this 45x this side, minus 45x is equal to 150. So 50 minus 45, that is 5x, is equal to 150. X is equal to 150 by 5, and 150 cancelled by 5, 30. This will be the answer. So these are the 3 problems from the year 2019 and 2020. It may be next year in 2021 one question will ask, but I think this question will ask from the same properties using componendo and dividendo. So try to do more and more practice by using the properties componendo and dividendo, and try to finish the question. So just go through your question bank. I think last 10-year questions, it means from 2011, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 18 and 19 already I'm question solved. So 8-year questions just find out and try to solve in your copy. And that type of questions you have to do the practice for examination point of view. So children, you have to do the exercise, you have to do the questions from the previous year, and try to complete it. Thank you very much for watching the video. All the best.